Hello kids. Yes, this is Shipra. I am back again with my new DIY activity. So on behalf of Yellow class, I welcome you for a nice DIY activity. And today I have a surprise. Yes, something new, something different. But as you know, I never tell my surprise so fast. So before that, we have to say that line. Let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. So let me now just tell you the surprise. Kids, we are going to do a science experiment. So before we do our science experiment, let me just tell you what all things do we need. I need a balloon and a skewers, and you can see it's quite pointed. Is it visible to you? It's quite pointed, but there will be a surprise now. I have already have a inflated balloon here, so if you want I can do one more, but I have already kept this here. But you might later on say that this is something which has magic, so I will inflate this balloon also in front of you so that you can see there is nothing inside, and then I will show the magic. But basically it's not magic kids, it's science experiment. So I will quickly inflate this. So I have inflated this. This is my balloon and I have tied a knot. Now I have a surprise for you. Can you see the pointedness of my screws? These are those which we use for paneer tikkas, chickens and all when we roast it, okay? So they are quite sharp. But now I will show you a surprise. See what will happen. See, my balloon is still the same. Can you see? Even after pricking it so hard, my balloon is still the same. You can see the sharpness. See the sharpness? And still my balloon is same, kids. It is not going anywhere. And I have inflated it in front of you. There is nothing you can see. You can even see the squirrels. They are passing through it nicely. Yes. So would you like to know what is the science behind this? Or do you think it's magic? No kids, it's not magic. It is science. So what happens once we pass our sharp screws through the balloon, the molecules of the skewers and the molecules of the balloon, they cling to each other. They cling to each other means they hug each other so tightly that they do not allow the air to pass across. So the moment we push it quickly, so we have done it in just fraction of seconds, we have just pushed it and we have taken it out. And even there is another one reason is this, that they cling to each other. The molecules of the balloon and the molecules of the skewers cling to each other so tightly that they do not allow the air to pass. And the second reason is that if you have always seen the balloon, what I have done, I have not pierced from here. I have not pierced the balloon from here. I have done it from the center here. So you can see always a balloon has a thick layer here. So when we pass from here, this has got little thick layer instead of this portion and this portion. So what happens? this portion is thick, so it doesn't pierce properly, or it doesn't break, like, or the balloon doesn't burst. And same way, if you see, we have thick layer here also, so it allows the balloon, the screws to pass along and will not allow the air to pass across. So this is an experiment where I have pierced the balloon and it has not burst. So you can try this experiment. This is a simple experiment where we have used a balloon and the screws which are easily available in the market. You can try, kids, and do let us know. Do share your pics, how you have liked it. Have you understood the concept? Do write us. Do let us know what is the concept behind it. So it was nice to come along again with a nice experiment with you. Hope you have enjoyed it. We are going to meet soon. Till then, kids, enjoy, keep experimenting, keep enjoying. Thanks for watching this video. It's time to say bye.